Hi, I'm Jennifer, and I'm so happy you're here today for the Quick and Easy Meals collaboration. This collaboration is hosted by Simply Grace Lifestyle, Debbie Bubbles, Jean Home Decor and More, and me, Jennifer at Home. Be sure to check out all the participating channels listed below, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Today I'm going to be making low-carb sausage balls. In this bowl I have 4 ounces of softened cream cheese, which is half a block, and I'm going to need half a teaspoon of baking powder. I'm going to need 1 log of sausage. You can use spicy or regular or hot. And I'm going to use some almond flour. I'll need half a cup of almond flour, and I'm going to need 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese. We're going to get busy mixing all of these things together. Half a teaspoon of baking powder, and I'll have this full recipe listed below so you can easily put this together yourself. I have a special way to open the sausage. I take a pair of scissors and trim off the end and get rid of that little metal grommet. Then I just take the sausage from the other end at the middle grommet. I grab a hold of it and pinch it, and then I just start twisting. The sausage comes right out, and the package is clean inside. None of the sausage is stuck or wasted. As you can see, it just twists right out of the package. It took me a long time to figure out this way of getting the sausage out. And there, your hands are clean, the package is empty, and you can just throw it away. And now the half a cup of almond flour. I'm gonna get this mixed up, and then we'll add our cheese and mix it as well. Now I'm just going to dump in my cheese and mix it again. I'm just going to mix it on low once again. I always take a trivet and put down on my countertop to put my mixing bowl on. That way when I'm mixing, my bowl's not clanging around and I can easily turn it. I'm preheating my oven to 375 degrees. I'm just going to take this little scoop and get the sausage into a ball and just roll it lightly and put it on the tray. I'll keep going until I have all the sausage balls rolled. I'm flying to Arizona to spend some time with my daughter and new grandbaby, and I'm going to be making a bunch of things for my husband to have while I'm gone on my trip. I know my husband will love to have these sausage balls for breakfast. They'll take about 20 to 25 minutes. And here's how the wonderful, delicious sausage balls turned out. They're so moist and tender and flavorful, and of course, cheesy. These sausage balls are so delicious. You can put these in a sealed container in the refrigerator, or you can even put them in a zip-top bag and freeze them in the freezer. I'm so happy you were here. I had such a great time putting this recipe together to share. I would be so happy if you check out the other channels listed below, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. And I'll see you next time.